Next is reaction, carbonyl reaction with alkane molecules. And this reaction has some name of Baltan-Hühel reaction. And here's the things, this carbonyl excited with like n-pi star excitation. This oxygen has electrophilic electrophilic addition to the alkane molecules. So what happened here is you could see a different type of, two different type of configuration is possible. So vinyl and oxygen side, or like this. So due to the stability of the radical state, or as you see, so the main product is going to be the right one. Another reaction type is the reaction with amine or alkylbenzene with the hydrogen, which could be initially induced by the light-induced electron transfer. So what you could obtain is oxygen and so accept the electron from the electron donor, like and then this 3-ethyl amine is going to give so it's like so one of the hydrogen is taken and then you could obtain this kind of two radical species, and after that it's going to react with some taking hydrogen or something. So the last example, I'm not so much familiar with this kind of reaction or like reactions over. Here's the things. It's reaction of conjugated dianion reaction. And in this reaction, since initial excitation to triplet, the reaction is going this way, right? To make B radical like excited state due to the excitation, and then this radical and close the link, and then this must be coming like this to make this kind of the intermediate species. And here the from the pi star to an orbital electron transfer, meaning that the one of the this radical so electron transfer, giving the positive and the negative charge inside the molecules. And then this is Oh, it's actually part of the bond is missing. So and then this is going to give this one, and then this is cut off due to some reason, not sure so much, and then finally you could obtain this kind of funny shaped molecules. So this is a reaction of the conjugated DN reaction type. So with this, I went through the reactions of carbonyl molecules.